The Canadian federal government recommends having 72 hours of supplies set aside in case of emergency. In some districts, such as our own of Victoria, that recommendation is upgraded to a week or more. A backpack kit is a great way to accomplish this while keeping everything portable. Hi, I'm Cort with Total Prepare, and today we're going to be taking a look at our urban 72-hour two-person kit. Let's take a look inside, shall we? Okay, first up, we've got the hand crank and solar-powered radio and flashlight. Can even charge a phone in a pinch. Next, we have the essential first aid kit. Lots of good pieces in there for basic cuts, scrapes, and wounds. Some toilet paper. Can never go wrong with toilet paper. The emergency weather kit here has got your tents, ponchos, hand warmers, and sleeping bags. Got the emergency survival tools. This has got rope, a multi-tool knife, duct tape, whistle, work gloves, even playing cards. Another important piece, often overlooked, is the hygiene kit here. It's got almost everything you need there. Toothbrushes, shampoo, toothpaste, shaving kit, feminine hygiene pads. I think a face cloth or two actually as well. Lots and lots of pieces. Starting with water, we've got some treatment packets and a container to treat the water in, as well as a dozen emergency drinking water pouches. This kit also comes with a couple of face masks, ASTM level 3s, and an emergency guide. And last but not least, 2 calorie food bars. One of the first things you're going to want to do when you get your kit is go looking for this Prepare for Life Emergency Preparedness Guidebook. It is a wealth of information that's going to be useful to you both before, during, and after an emergency, and even has some handy worksheets that you can kind of fill out to help plan on top of just getting your kit together. The other points of note you'll want to keep tabs on is your food and water. They both have a 5-year shelf life and are shelf stable at temperatures ranging between -20 and +50 degrees Celsius. This makes them a great fit for cars as they aren't too fussed by fluctuating temperatures there. These food bars themselves, they're non-thirst provoking and they're kind of like a shortbread cookie when you really crack into them and eat them. I've had a few myself. As for the water pouches, pretty self-explanatory. Each one's 125 milliliters. You just tear them open and go to it. A backpack kit is a great way to get your emergency supplies started. It's portable at 15 pounds and very grab-and-go friendly. So just about anybody should be able to pick it up and maneuver it. As always, if you have any questions about this kit or anything else we carry, feel free to reach out to us at totalprepare.ca. And remember, be prepared, not scared.